Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the lock screen function on the MP3 downloader YouTube player application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. New, click to the this is an ad and so new, click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the settings icon. Here in the playback section you can find the first option, the lock screen. Sadly, YouTube stops when the screen is off. Use the pocket mode to fix that, save power and stop accidental taps. And if you want to turn on this function, just click to the next square icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.